At Roper Whitney, when we build a new folding machine and ship it to a customer, our job is just beginning. We formed a partnership between the Roper Whitney team and the people who will operate that machine. That's the way we've been working with our auto brake customers since we introduced this folding technology to North America in 1990. We designed this system with specifications that came directly from our customers and their needs. Roper Whitney doesn't simply sell machines that come pre-assembled from another source. Our engineers are directly involved in all aspects of product development. Roper Whitney is a manufacturer. The components we have designed are assembled and painted in our manufacturing facility in Rockford, Illinois, where test bends are made and technicians perform final inspections prior to delivery to our customers. Importers and salesmen come and go, but we have built this part of our business on a foundation that will soon celebrate its 100th year as a precision manufacturer. This brings us to our latest development, the Orion Control. This control has a 15-inch, high-resolution color touchscreen incorporating an industrial PC housed in a sealed enclosure. This guards against industrial pollutants such as welding and grinding dust, humidity, or airborne oils. A CD-ROM is also included for the addition of software programs and for future upgrades. Our new control allows the AutoBrake 2000 to perform faster with even greater flexibility. The control uses Microsoft Windows and Intel Pentium technology, not some imitation computer system that might be here today and gone tomorrow. You can make your design decisions on your own PC offline, then load programs into the control using a floppy disk, Ethernet, or CD-ROM. Our control builds on the knowledge and experience of the operator. Just input the specifications for your job. With the Orion Control, that process couldn't be easier. Using the touchscreen, you set up the sequence, select the angles, enter the lengths, change information if you need to, and you're ready to start bending profiles. The Orion Control tells your operator when to turn, when to rotate, and when to flip the part. It also tells the operator what blank size to use and the tooling needed for the job. You'll always know what step you're on, in this case, step 4 of 7 steps. Because it runs on a Windows program, you can enter up to 255 characters of descriptive information for each different profile. This might include type and thickness of material to be used, how to load the work material such as painted side up or down, storage location of material, cycle time for the part, cost to produce the part, special handling instructions, customer name, address, and phone number, job or work number, and the material adjustment setting for each job. The system's hard drive has the capacity for storage of over 1 million part programs, with up to 1,000 lines each. More, in fact, than you are ever likely to need. All part programs are right at your fingertips, eliminating the need for cataloging or storage on additional floppy disks, reducing the time it takes to start the next program. With the Orion Control, you can create angle compensation based on the angle for a particular type of material or job that you want to run. The operator establishes his own compensation table, saves it to a name, and then later he can call up that table in order to make the compensation. In this case, you would enter 1.5 degrees. Also, you can now alter the size of parts and they will change to match the new size right on the screen. You can insert bends to alter the shape's entire appearance to make new shapes. In addition, by inputting the back gauge positions and the direction of angle and the order in which you want to form your part, you create the bending sequence. The computer automatically knows when to flip the part over and when to turn it based on the information entered by the operator. The pendant arm can be moved into multiple positions for best viewing by the operator. Once parts information has been entered, the speed of operation is the next important factor. To demonstrate machine speed, ease of operation, and versatility, our operator will bend this 10-foot gravel stop in under 35 seconds. The Orion Control has self-diagnostics, but here's the most important feature. If you should experience any trouble at all, you can call one of our service technicians who will troubleshoot your machine. Your control can be evaluated, tested, and operated by one of our service people right over the phone by modem. This eliminates downtime and quickly returns your machine into production. All service originates from our home office, so when you talk to a tech rep, you're talking with someone who knows your machine inside and out. Our service staff has more than 30 years of combined experience on the AutoBrake system. Service experts can be reached by digital pager if you need an answer right away.
Yes, Bill, this is Dan from Roper. You paged me. What can I do for you?
The three-stage positioning of our 14 fingers provides the best alignment and accuracy as it moves from 0 to 61-inch gauging in less than 2 seconds, compared with an average of 6 seconds on other competitive folders. This means the operator is never waiting for the machine. It is always ready to make the next bend. Because of our multiple finger positions, the most complicated profiles are easily handled. Your delicate materials cannot be marred because there are no slots in the lower jaw. The closed-loop feedback servo drive keeps the back gauge accurately located. If the back gauge is inadvertently forced out of position, the feedback system automatically returns the gauge stops to their correct location for unparalleled accuracy. With the high-speed servo drive motor, the pop-up fingers, and the widely spaced linear guideways design, our back gauge is the fastest, most accurate, and versatile on the market because of its precision engineering. This allows each part to be made exactly the same time after time. The object of an efficient, labor-reducing automatic folding machine should be to allow the operator to pick up a blank and not set it down again until it is a finished part. This is where the Roper Whitney Combi Beam helps you save additional forming time. The patented Combi Beam can now be programmed by the operator to move into position automatically whenever it is needed in the bending sequence. Here, our operator completes an inside corner piece. With the Combi, there is no reason to keep additional tooling in a storage rack. Your operator doesn't waste valuable time changing upper beam tooling. He's busy making you money by turning out more parts per hour. But for those who have no need for the Combi Beam, we designed this straight machine. We also offer the A2000 control for customers who don't need graphic design or if simplicity is important. In any case, the Roper Whitney price package includes the machine, the control, the tooling, setup, and training. There are no add-ons. Here are just a few more examples of the profiles you can easily bend with the AutoBrake 2000. To make programming even easier, these hemming macro programs are included: open hem, closed hem, and teardrop hem. For radius forming, just enter the angle, the number of steps for the back gauge, and the start position. The computer automatically calculates the angle and increments for the back gauge movement. You can program for wing bending, or for faster operation, you can select bump bending for your radius parts. Roper Whitney has developed a network of professionals in your field who are ready and willing to answer any questions you might have. These are people who can help you in making your final purchasing decision. Or they can share experiences with you about technical questions on a job you might be bidding. Ask us. Help is only a phone call away. The original machines we have sold over the years are still serving those customers. The reason for this is simple. Roper Whitney consistently designs and builds reliable machines of the highest quality that are built to last. At Roper Whitney, we believe product design and innovation is a continuous process fed from within the company and by feedback from our customers. These new ideas will significantly improve the capabilities of our products on an ongoing basis.